Our ocean is facing a severe problem due to plastic pollution. Much of this plastic pollution is single-use plastic, and most of this plastic washes up through rivers and canals, and even lack of waste management and the addiction to single-use plastic. Most of these plastic can be categorized into maybe single-use plastic bags and bottles, and when they are in the ocean they break down into smaller particles known as microplastic, which are being consumed by marine life, and they pass through the food chain and even can come to our plates where we could possibly have health implications. Cleaner Seabeds for Sri Lanka Expedition by the Pearl Protectors is a series of underwater cleanups where dive volunteers dive down to some of the sensitive marine ecosystems around Sri Lanka. Most of these reefs are being covered by single-use plastic or even ghost fishing nets. So through this expedition, we hope to remove all these litter and make the sea around a much more healthier place. Plasticcycle came to support this expedition at a crucial juncture where we've been trying to find ways and methods to really go down to some of these marine ecosystems and remove much of these marine litter. So this support aligns both of our work, especially reduction of plastic and also mitigation in different ways. So our gratitude goes to Plasticcycle for coming on board and really supporting this expedition.
For John Keells, we focus on the ESG aspects of our operation. So it's about environmental impact, social and governance. It is in this context that when we realized that plastic pollution was a significant concern for the country, especially with the alarming data and the numbers that come out of it, we felt that as the largest conglomerate in the country, we had to do something about it. We had to engage and figure out how to solve the problem. It is because of that we sort of launched Plasticcycle, which focuses on 3 pillars. One is about encouraging the reduction in the single use of plastic through awareness. Second pillar promotes responsible disposal. So I think the Plasticcycle project is quite well known for the bin network that we have. We placed about 250 bins right across the country under this initiative. The third pillar focuses on promoting recycling initiatives, and now we've expanded it to also include innovation. So that's sort of the framework within which Plasticcycle operates, under an overarching vision of being a catalyst in significantly reducing plastic pollution in the country. While the group businesses has worked with Pearl Protectors and supported their initiatives over the last couple of years, in April this year we entered into an agreement with them focusing on the coastal belt for underwater cleanups, and this is important in the context of all the waste. These areas face significant amount of plastic accumulation due to inadequate waste management practices, as well as the ocean currents bringing in transoceanic waste. So it's a problem, and that problem we needed to have a solution for. So this initiative allows us to broaden our focus beyond the land initiatives that we have been sort of working on in the past 5 years and contribute towards cleaner oceans.